Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or deploy AWS RHEL EC2 instance. I have connected to AWS console with my credentials. Then click on services, then search for EC2. Click on EC2. See, this is the EC2 dashboard. I don't have any instances in this region. Okay, so first select the region where you want to create the virtual machine. Click on instances. See, I don't have anything. Click on launch instances. So I am going to install RHEL 9. Give the name, click on RHEL, select the RHEL 9 with high availability or SSD volume. I am going with the first one, SSD volume. Based on requirement you have to select. Okay, so next select the instance type. So we have these different instance types. Instance types is nothing but the number of CPUs and memory. Okay, so I'm going with the free tier eligible, but it is not mandatory to select the free tier eligible. You can select any one of them, but charges will be changed based on the type of the option you have chosen. Okay, next create key pair. It is used to log into the Redhat Enterprise Linux. So click on create new key pair, provide the name RHEL 9, select the PEM, click on create key pair. See, it has downloaded the key pair. Now next, network settings. See, I don't have any network information here. So click on edit VPC. We don't have any VPC. So click on services, then search for VPC. Right click on it. Select the open in new tab. Go to here. See, the region must be the same as this one. Okay, so click on create VPC. Here we have two types of the resources to be created, VPC only or VPC and more. Select the VPC and more, then click on create VPC. I'm not going to change anything. Okay, even CADR, IPv CADR block also. Okay, click on create VPC. See, VPC has been created. Go to there, click on this refresh button. See, one VPC is available now. Even subnet also, you have to click on refresh. See, we have the different subnets in availability zones. I am going with US East 1 only. Okay, US East 1A. Next, auto assign public IP I am going to enable. This is required to connect to the from internet. Okay, so create security group. I am not going to change anything. Even inbound security group also I am not going to add or remove anything. Okay, here memory size I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then if you want to add new volume, you have to click on this one. See, pre-tier eligible customers can get up to 30 gigabytes. So I am giving 30, but it is not mandatory 30. Advanced settings, I am going to enable this resource based IPv4 also. Other than this, I am not going to configure anything. If you want to provide any custom information, you have to provide here. All done. Review one more time. This is the summary of the virtual machine. Okay, review all these settings. Click on launch instance. See, successfully initiated the launch of the instance. Click on instances. It is still in pending. Refresh here. Wait until this pending state to be changed from pending to running or available. See, now state has been changed. Click on the instance ID. See, this is the public IP assigned to this instance, and this is the private IP. This is the DNS name. Okay, if you scroll down here, see, this is the subnet information, VPC ID, AMI ID. These are the different details. See, if you want to stop this instance, you have to click on stop instance. If you want to reboot, you have to click on reboot. If you don't want to use this EC2 instance anymore, click on terminate instance. Okay, so now we are going to see how to connect to this EC2 instance. Click on connect. See, EC2 -user is the username. Okay, click on this copy button. If you are on Windows, open command prompt, then go to this downloaded PEM file location. So it is there in my downloads, dir PEM. See, I have the PEM file. Okay, so go to the copy this one again, paste here. See, we have the PEM file in this location only. Otherwise, you have to give the entire path. So hit enter, type Y, type SN, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to our Red Hat Enterprise Linux EC2 instance. More /etc OS-release. See, I am on Red Hat Enterprise Linux and its version is 9.3. Retiname name is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.3. Okay. Again, go back to instances. As I told you earlier, go back to instances. See, if you want to stop the instance, select the instance from the list, click on the stop, reboot or terminate the instance. See here, if you want to modify anything like attach network interface detach or anything, you have to click on the respective options and you have to select it. Even if you are unable to find, see, even if you are unable to connect to this instance, if it throws like any IP issue, go to security group, where it is, go to networking, go to security, click on security group, then click on inbound rules, then click on edit inbound rules. See, here I have given IP ranges all, but whoever is having this PEM file, those only can be accessed to this instance. So if you want to restrict to only this particular IP, see, you have to select my IP and click on save rules. I'm not going to change, but I'm showing you. Okay, click on save rules. I haven't changed anything, so no need to save. Okay, go to EC2. See, we have one EC2 instance is running, one volume is there. Even if we change this region from AWS EC1 to AWS EC2, we will be unable to find that instance. See, we cannot find the instance. So EC2 instances are based on the regions. Okay, if you go back again, you will be able to see that. See, we have one instance running. So in this video, we have seen how to create AWS RHEL EC2 instance. Then we have seen how to connect to it. For more AWS or DevOps videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.